Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to save any file as PDF in Windows Notepad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, open the Windows Notepad software so you can see the Notepad. So let us type some words. So after typing the word, just let us go to the file, and you can see here save and save as, right? So let us click on save. And let us check on the save types. So there is no PDF form output options. So let us check again by going to file and save as, and let us check again save as type. So there is no save as PDF options. So how you can save this Notepad text file as a PDF file? So just once again move to the file, and now you can see a print. Just click on it. Now under the print options you may see a tons of options, right? So if you have installed some applications like Adobe PDF, then you can choose the Adobe PDF. But if you don't have a Adobe software installed on your respective Windows computer, then you will definitely see one option here, Microsoft Print to PDF. Just select this, and after selecting this options you can see here apply. You can just click on apply, and you can just click on print. Now you need to give a file name to save this file. I will just type as edited. So you can see in the save as type file, now there is an option to save as PDF, right? Now once I click on save, it will be saved on my respective folder or the locations where I want to save. Don't worry, it will not print anything since you don't have any Microsoft printer or anything, but it is being saved as a PDF, as you can see on my desktop. So let us open it, whether it's PDF or not. So let us open with the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see we have saved the Windows Notepad file as a PDF by using this cool trick. So if you never known about how to save any file as PDF in Windows Notepad, then you can try this cool tricks. So if you're in the need of such options while you are creating a Windows Notepad to save it as PDF, then you can try this useful cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.